QT10 automatic block making machine. The simple production line consists of etcher, a horizontal twin-shaft mixer, automatic block making machine its pillar. The main features of QT10 automatic block making machine. Electrical system uses Germany, Siemens PLC control system, and Siemens touchscreen. With data input and output devices, control system has safety logic control and automatic troubleshooting functions. Second, hydraulic system. Use imported double high dynamic proportional valves, which automatically adjust the oil flow and pressure according to the working requirement, to guarantee the precise movement between the temper head and mold. It also buffers the hydraulic cylinder to protect the cylinder from damage caused by inertia. It guarantees the stability of the hydraulic system. Heavy-duty machine structure, which is made of high-density cast steel, are welded by special material, strong and reliable. Forward guiding system, a long guide pushing assure the precise movement between tempered head and mold. Our machines, with harmonious cooperation between mechanical, electrical, and hydraulic systems, guarantees the synchronization of each and every movement of the equipment. This is our customer's factory. He has 4 sets of a QT10 automatic block making machine with simple production lineup. The raw materials are from cement, sand, fly ash, stone powder, slag, perlite, cinder, gach, gravel, and other industrial and construction waste, etc. With different modes, QT10 can produce various types of concrete blocks, solid, hollow, cellular masonry products, paving stones with or without face mix, garden and landscaping products, slabs, curbstones, edgers, grass blocks, slope blocks, interlocks, pavers, etc. The modes are subject to your specific requirements. The users can choose the measure from 2 bins to 3 bins according to the availability of raw materials. The materials are scaled and weighed automatically as per the proportional ratio to guarantee the quality, to reduce the cost. The raw materials, which are automatically scaled and weighed as per the proportional ratio, are delivered to the mixer. After mixing with cement and water, the materials are transferred by belt conveyor to the material hopper of the main machine. The blocks conveyance device and the pellets feeding device are working at the same time. After the production, it will convey the first pellet with blocks out, and the second pellets will be fed into the mold immediately. It uses 360-degree rotating and compulsory feeding to discharge the materials into the molds. The feeding box returns back to the position for the next cycle. With vibration and compression, the blocks are demolded and conveyed to a pillar. With fixed mix device, QT10 can produce interlock and paver with color layer. The production capacity of a QT10 automatic block making machine: 6 pieces per mold for a standard hollow block, 400 × 200 × 200 mm, 21 pieces per mold for hollow brick, 200 × 100 × 60 mm, and 50 pieces per mold for interlock 225 × 112.5 × 60 mm. The pillar can stack 3 to 6 pallets, which is subject to different type of concrete products.